Good morning, class 6. Today we are going to study chapter number 8, The Man Who Never Quit. Before going to start this chapter, let's warm up a little. This is an inspiring story. Is about the co-founder of Alibaba Group, Jack Ma. It's an interesting story about Jack Ma. What makes the story extraordinary is that it is a true story about how he beat poverty, failure, adversity to become one of the richest people in the world and the richest in China. We all fail from time to time. What defines us is how we react to failure. Do you sometimes feel like giving up? Here, giving up means leave. How do you react when things don't work out exactly the way that you would like to them? On 15th October 1964, a poor family in Hangzhou, China, Hangzhou is a place in China, was blessed with a baby boy and they named him Ma Yun. Little did they know that this infant or child had a big failure in his little fist, big future in his little fist. Ma Yun did not have an easy childhood. His parents did not have much money, and as the middle child of three, he grew up without many luxuries. Actually, what happened, Ma Yun, Ma Yun belonged to a very poor family, and he was the middle child among his brother and sister. But he was often teased and bullied in school by his classmates because he was so thin. From his childhood, he was so thin. He was so thin. He teased. Here, teased means to make joke. Here, bullied means oppress or to suppress somebody. So he was so thin, and he was teased and bullied by his classmates. To prove this to be one of the important life lesson for him, this is the mental strength developed at such a young age, which led him to future success against all odds. Actually, he had no physical strength, he has no physical body, but he used always his mental strength, and he later become a successful man. Ma Yun knew that the only way out of poverty was to educate himself. He was determined to learn English, but there was not much opportunity to learn the subject in school. Actually, Ma Yun knew that the only way out of his poverty is to learn English. So he learned English, and as a teenager, Ma started waking up early to visit the city's main hotel, 40 minutes away from his house, and began offering foreign visitors tour of the city in exchange for English lesson. One of his tourist friends started calling him Jack, and with the time that name stuck. School life was especially hard for Ma and taught him that failure was a part of life at a very early age. Ma failed in his primary school examination thrice in the middle of school exam. When applying to universities after his high school, Jack failed the entrance exam 3 times before finally joining Hangzhou Normal University. That means he took 3 years to finally join a university, as he could only apply once a year. He even applied and wrote to Harvard University 10 times for his admission and got rejected each time. Here, Jack Ma had always a failure or so many failures in his life. He even failed in his school exams and also failed to get entry in university. Ma's failure did not stop in college after he graduated in 1988. He started applying for many jobs after graduated in 1988. He started applying many jobs as he could, but he failed to secure even a single one. He had tried for several jobs, but always failure came to him. He had applied for 30 different jobs. When KFC came to China, he and 23 other applicants went for a job. Everyone got selected except for Ma. When KFC came to China, 23 applicants were applied for job, and the result was that Ma got failure. He was also one of the 5 applicants who applied for a job in police force, the only one who was rejected. He finally settled for a job as an English teacher, although that earned him less than 800 rupees for a month. He even tried his hand in entrepreneurship. Here, entrepreneurship means setting up of a business, but his first 2 ventures failed. His apparent failure here or his continuous failure only made him stronger and more determined to succeed. He learned to overcome the pain of rejection and started treating rejection as an opportunity to learn and grow. Ma had no experience with computers as they were rare in China. At that time, he was fascinated. Her fascinated means strongly attracted or interested the internet when he was first introduced to it during a visit to US in 1995 for a government project related to the building of highways. When Ma used internet for the first time, he searched for beer. Beer is a word, okay? To surprise, no Chinese beers turned up in the result, although beer from various countries did make it to the list. He then searched China, not a single result popped out. Here popped out means come out suddenly or forcefully. He decided that a huge country like China deserved to be on the internet, and it was then that he decided to start an internet company for China. Actually, he finally thought to set up an internet company in China. 4 years later, he gathered 17 close friends in his apartment and convinced. Here, convinced means completely certain about something, them to invest in him and his vision. Here, vision means plan the future with imagination. An online marketplace he called Alibaba. Actually, the site allowed exporters to list their products online so that customers could buy them directly. It was a great idea, but his biggest challenge was building trust among the people of China that an online system of payment and package transfers is reliable. Here, reliable means consistently good in quality or performance. The company started small, beginning from his apartment without a single penny. Here, penny means money. In investment from outside investors, Alibaba raised $20 million from SoftBank and another 5 million from Goldman Sachs in 1999. The company went to grow rapidly, expanding all across the world and has now become the e-commerce giant that Jack Ma had dreamed of. Jack Ma knew nothing about computers or the internet and had never sold anything to anyone in his life. And yet, he started his first successful company at the age of 31. Actually, he finally succeeded in his dream and set up an internet company at the age of 31. In the face of adversity, here adversity means a difficult situation and treating failure as just another step towards success in what Jack Ma's extraordinary life speaks of. His history is a great lesson for all of us to never give up, no matter how difficult situation may be. This was, my dear student, and the question answer will be sent soon. Thank you. Have a nice day.